What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on PLUG because this stock right now is pumping absolutely like crazy, and also we are testing here some interesting areas which can lead to some long positions. So if you are interested about the exact trades and about the exact areas that I'm currently watching on this stock, definitely watch this video till the end. But before this video continues, I want to say that I just create my Discord group where I'm sharing everyday analysis on the stocks that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, it's completely free and link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I am revealing everyday important stocks that I'm currently watching. So yeah, if you are interested in that, definitely use that link in the description. Let's start today on a 30-minute chart. Here we are testing this bearish order block, which is between levels 2.35 and 2.29. And if there will be breakout and then a support confirmation, this can actually be a first interesting opportunity to a long trade. Stop loss in this case, I want to place under this bearish order block because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, I mean something like this, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Your last take profit targets you can then place, for example, under this previous high, because if we will take a look on the 4-hour chart above this, we have this bearish order block which is between levels 3.55 and 3.42, so you can either place it like under this high or under this bearish order block, or if you want to have the best risk reward ratio possible, you can place it slightly above this bearish order block area, because if we are gonna test it, there is, in my opinion, pretty high chance of a liquidity grab, which means that a lot of people who will be opening a short positions, let's say somewhere in these areas, they will probably put their stop losses somewhere around here. So we will just grab the liquidity above and then the market can reverse back down. And with this, let's say, last take profit targets, you can aim for risk reward ratio 13.5. So if you will take multiple take profit targets, which I'm always recommend doing, which means that some of the profits you will, for example, take like in this bearish order block, then in this gap, which is between levels 2.60 and 2.92, then for example, under like this previous high, and then you will save something to the last take profit targets, then you are looking for risk reward ratio like 9, 10, something like that, which is, in my opinion, still really good. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on this first potential long setup. Another potential trade that you can take here will be valid in case of a support confirmation above this second bearish order block, which is between levels 2.61 and 2.44. Because you can see, if you are gonna take breakout and then support confirmation of the first one, you are still risking this resistance here. So if you want to create here, let's say, more of a safe long trade, you need to wait for a support confirmation above this bearish order block as well. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under this bearish order block, because again, if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then we are probably gonna test the next one, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And your last take profit targets, again, above this, above the bearish order block that I showed you previously, which will give you, in this case, risk reward ratio only 4.32, which is, in my opinion, not that great, especially if you will take multiple take profit targets, but it will be much safer because the stop loss is like 8.3%. But if you, for example, want to copy my exact trades and you want to get access to my entire stock portfolio, then definitely join my Patreon, because on it you can join to my VIP trading group in which I am revealing all of this, and right now you can try it for 7 days for completely free. So it is without any risk, and if you are interested about more information, as I said, link to join is through my Patreon, and link to join is in the description. And if we take a look on a daily time frame on which we are again testing this bearish order block, then yeah, you can see that we have this like bearish order block on all of the time frames, and in the long time perspective, we took liquidity like under all of these previous important lows. So right now it is really important to break the lower highs setup. So you can see that this high is lower than this one is lower than this one is lower than this one is lower than this one. You know the drill. So right now it is really important to break this previous high, which means we will break the lower high setup, And after that, after support confirmation, you can feel free to open a long position even on a daily time frame, because we don't have any important resistances. And let's say resistances on a daily time frame are usually more important than on a lower ones. This exact trade will be similar like the previous one. So stop loss in this case under this bearish order block, and the last take profit targets above this bearish order block, which will give you risk reward ratio around 7.5, and the take profit targets will be similar like in the previous setups. So yeah guys, these are all of the trades that I'm watching right now, and if you want to know about all the stocks that I'm watching, definitely, as I said, you can join to my Discord trading group or to my Patreon. Both of these things are free right now. So yeah, all necessary links you will find in the description. But hey guys, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.